Hey, it's Ed from Antique Toys. Today we've got some Japanese attaché briefcase box toys. Items you're probably never going to see anyplace else. And I'm going to show you all the goodness inside, so stay tuned for more. We have a Baldios. We have a Kamen Rider, and we have a Moonman attaché case. So come over, let's take a look. I'm gonna pretend I've unboxed the Baldios, and we've got this cool hang tag. We've got a combo 1-in-1, which is highly secretive, so don't tell anybody. And then, boom, inside, missiles, Baldios, instructions, secret instructions, BBs for shooting, a gun, we have another gun, and then we can fire missiles. So these missiles go in boop, 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 boop into those three, and we fire it, fire it, fire it, which is ultra cool, ultra odd. And again, don't give your kids a gun like this. All right, here we go. We got Baldios in here. We got the gun. We got the BBs. We've got a game. We've got Baldios here. We have missiles, and the wild part is it shoots from there. It's got inserts within this case, which is quite cool. It looks like a special game, Japanese game, that ties into here. It's probably a special code breaker. All right, Kamen Rider. To me, this is one of the favorites. Got the Kamen Rider mask. Kamen Rider sash, which is insane. All the kids must have really wanted this. Produced by TT or Takatoku Toys, you see that in the corner. With the gun, with the pennant, with cards, and with your own common mask. This will be coming up on Mars Auctions, May the 4th, 2024. And then we have Moonman. Looks kind of like a roulette here. Open, open, open. Woo! We have a Moonman pennant. Glasses, Bandai. All kinds of good stuff. Devilman.